The human body is far stranger than you think. Today we're revealing incredible secrets hidden inside you. Secrets most people never hear in their entire lives. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Each thought creates tiny electrical pulses, up to 20 watts of energy. You shed around 40,000 skin cells every hour. By the end of your life, you'll lose nearly 35 kilograms of skin. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Hydrochloric acid has a pH level close to battery acid. Your eyes can distinguish more than 10 million colors. Under perfect conditions, a single candle flame is visible from 30 kilometers away. Your bones are stronger than steel. Gram for gram, bone is 5 times stronger, yet flexible enough to absorb shock. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping enough blood to fill a small swimming pool. Your brain never shuts down. Some areas are even more active during sleep than when you're awake. Humans actually glow in the dark, but the light is too faint for our eyes to detect. We emit tiny amounts of bioluminescent light. Your sense of smell is incredibly powerful. You can remember more than 50,000 different scents. Your brain can process an image in about 13 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. You have a second brain in your gut. It contains over 100 million neurons, more than a cat's brain. The DNA inside one single human cell stretches to about 2 meters. In your whole body, it could reach from the Earth to the Sun multiple times. The human body is a universe full of secrets. If you want to discover more mind-blowing facts like these, hit that subscribe button and join us for more amazing videos.